Igeni sani, uncomfortable where I am as a party member and a delegate a party to a youth league. To kata apart from that, angi a separate initiative mwati mo maari wo youth Kenya te. So Lweny man go Sifuna ni and very duplicitous. Okonya bedo ni by day owacho gimoro, kasto by night owacho gimoro ma different. Lweny ni agoe nikech we have to streamline our party. To politicians gi some top officials or where daktari obedo exposed nikech they fear losing personality, their credibility kwa mjopeni. Gingeni ka gitemo go Sifuna, the people will rally against them. Lakini I have nothing to lose. Wa Kelo broad-based. It just shows that the biggest constituency Kenya ka and the youth constituency. Sifuna sama odi katafinro man odi mogik. Odi wuoyo girigiji owacho gimagno wacho to wuoyo kaka katibu o wacho ni oluongo some of the officials washenzi. Onegongiswa minutes mar meeting mane bura mane gingo mo alawe oluong other leaders washenzi onyiswa nikech his role is secretarial. To Sifuna sani in a very uncomfortable position nikech no wacho kataka Jakomni alive ni ka ODM or this or anything lakini ka ODM wacho ni give the support rais okodi to the party line. So what if we enter into a pre-election agreement cast or agree ni what the support route for 2 term? So atemo manakonye nikech tani is in a very awkward position. Two, no wacho gimoro ma very sensitive. Ingeni politics language oken innocent. O wacho gimoro ma very sensitive mano hinya kabisa. To ada leroneja nini jopeni. Odhi Central Kenya, owacho ni en mwanaume kamili ma sijui alitairiwa na kisu. Mano a dog whistle, ma tribalism, a very bad tribal slur, mano ti disparage the Joluo. His own people, wanaume kamili kakae, no rejected in his first attempt. One Joe ODM and Mwanatai wa hold his hand wodonjo bunge. So sani he cannot pretend or walk around or give his personal opinion as party opinions. He cannot give us any presidential direction. Anything to do with negotiations, Sifuna is just but a secretary. So onegoto the party line. Tosani, he's been skipping meetings. So he's refusing to meet the ground. So there's this siasa magite moni mondo. It seems as though Guinea Magiwoyo from the youth. We are saying as young people of Kenya, as young people of ODM,